Have you ever wondered why, even though you feel like you're eating right or you're sleeping well, you still feel groggy or tired or off? It's actually your body telling you that you are deficient in some nutrients. And that's why a lot of companies are coming up left and right with supplementation because it's actually a necessity right now. And that's exactly what it is to supplement your nutrition, not to replace your food. And actually, when you feel some cravings, it's your body signaling you that it wants certain or particular nutrients. So let me give you some examples. If your body is craving for chocolates, it means that your body is deficient in magnesium. If you're craving for something salty, it means your body is lacking sodium or needing an electrolyte balance. And if you find yourself craving for carbs, it might be that you are deficient in chromium. I know it's frustrating because it also happens to me, but it's time that we educate ourselves that these cravings are signals from our body. And if you have not started using supplements, don't be afraid, ask questions, research about it because there are supplements that actually work to help you improve your wellness.